I really have. So today is 3rd of March. This is the first trading day for the month of March. So I'm not expecting much movement from the market today, right? So I'm not expecting much movement from the market today. Not expecting much movement from the market today. But what are we expecting for dollar indices though? Looking at weekly time frame, monthly time frame, I'm going to be very bullish on dollars. I'm going to be very bullish on dollar indices, at least for literally a long time, right? Because we have this high. Okay, so we can see market rejected this high, and we have a rejection. So what we are experiencing at the moment is two things. Number one, this low could be a retracement for dollar to continue moving to the upside. What I mean is this low that
Sorry,
happened.
sorry, Uncle Mike, your chart is not showing.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about
you.
it. Let me take you back to the screen. Yeah, this is it. Sorry about that. So for IUPAC today, we are only expecting IUPAC news on dollar by 4 p.m. It is ISM PMI by 4 p.m. That's the IUPAC news we are expecting in dollar today by 4 p.m. Okay, so that's it. So let's quickly go to our chart since I've started with our chart. So, well, what I'm looking towards, I'm still looking towards a retracement. I'm looking towards a retracement on dollar indices, probably up to 106.575 region, right? I'm looking forward to a retracement up to that level, 106.575 region. That's what I'm looking forward to a retracement to. So let's see what will happen of that level, okay? So a retracement could either be probably market move to the upside before falling. Could have something like this, a retracement to this high and move down to 106.575. Okay, because if you look at the pattern here, we've had an head and shoulder pattern. Market retraces down to this level and we are start moving to the downside. So whatever we are having now is just a retracement to market moving to the downside. So let's use that opportunity to know what we are going to do this afternoon. Well, like I said, I'm not expecting much because this is the first day of the month, first unit of the month. We might not literally experience a good or further market volatility because this is the first day of the month of March. So let's look at Euro USD. Having a look at Euro USD, we can see market rejecting this gap, this zone, which has formed a very strong support level on a daily time frame. So we have a shift in market structure here, market forming a higher low, and we have price breaking this level. So which will give me much more reasonable push that we could have Euro USD move up to 104.745 region. So we could have this 104.745 region, this level. So we could have this level before we decide to see, okay, what will happen at the long run. So let's just wait for a retracement before we buy because this is a reversal pattern on Euro USD. We can see the inverted head and shoulder forming and up to this neckline. So I would love to see market get to this zone before I give us an entry to a buy or to a sell or whatever. But today is the first month, so we just need to be very, very patient before entry into the market. So JPY pairs actually, I would have loved to give us a signal on JPY pairs, but we were late. So I saw the entry late, and all JPY pairs are moving further. Why? Because look at weekly time frame. Market took out this low, right? And we are still having this high as a resistance. So we're having this high as a resistance, 152.284 as a resistance, right? So We never can tell what we will see. We also have a retest to this gap, and this is also giving us much more sentiment that we are going to be very, very bullish. It's giving us much more sentiment that we are going to be very, very bullish for USD JPY. Okay, we are going to be very, very bullish for USD JPY. So 4 hours time frame, also the same thing. You can see we have a retest, the market pulling up to the upside. So US JPY, all JPY pairs are quite bullish, but we do not have any entry, right? We don't have an entry. So the next area I'm looking for an entry is this high, which is around 152.284 region. So 152.284 region, we look forward to some bullish scenario or bullish sentiment for the market. Okay, so 152.284 region, look forward to a bullish sentiment. If you look at JPY, GBP JPY has moved, and this system actually moved how many pips? Actually moved for about 268 pips. You can see after we have taken out this low, taken out, and this high. So we are looking at also a possible retracement before we enter into the market. A possible retracement before entering into the market. And the retracement will come up around here. Around here also. Around here also. Right? Okay, so that is that for GBP JPY pairs. So the last one, I'm going to go for USCHF, then we round it up this afternoon. Then we look at BTC and round it up this afternoon. And one more stock. Yes, we are still going to look at stocks also and round it up this afternoon. USCHF. USCHF. Okay, so looking at USCHF, just a moment. For USDCHF, for USDCHF, okay, so daily time frame, also the same thing. For dollar indices, we are also expecting market sentiment. Like I said, the dollar index just rejected this high. I'm expecting some bearish sentiment on USCHF to occur. But then we've not had full confirmation. The only confirmation we had was on JPY pairs, and we missed the entry, right? So we missed the entry. So we don't have full confirmation. The only one we have was on JPY pairs, and we missed the entry. So let's leave that aside. Once there's any signal, we are going to let you know. Let's look at BTC and probably Tesla stocks. So over the weekend, Donald Trump made a news that is going to they're working on a framework for regulating crypto, for regulating cryptocurrencies and all that. So this had a positive impact. Like I said, I was looking towards 78,000, and this had a positive impact on Bitcoin. But as it is now, currently, Bitcoin is already on a very strong resistance zone, which we need more push to break, right? So before this is broken, probably we could have a retracement or another fundamental that can push BTC up, right? That can push BTC up to the upside. So we still wait. Like I said earlier, everything still boils down on waiting. So we still wait for further confirmations and all that on BTC. Okay, so we still wait to see how market will react on BTC. I've been looking at Tesla stocks lately. And I would say that probably currently Tesla stocks might be ripe a little bit for a buy. We could buy the retracement on Tesla stocks up to around 326.70 per dollar, right? So you could take a short buy for Tesla stocks to 329.46 region before we look towards selling, right? Before we look towards selling, because for Tesla stocks, we've had a very, very confirmation and a bearish pattern for a Tesla stock. So I'm looking forward for a short buy to sell scenario. So that is that for the analysis this afternoon. Once there's an entry, I'm going to give us. Is there any questions? Do we have any questions this afternoon?
Yes, gold, please.
Gold.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at gold.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so for gold, I'm bullish on gold. In fact, I'm very, very bullish on gold. Even though we had a monthly rejection, but I'm still very bullish on gold. So let's see how this reacts. Because right now, gold is heading high to probably 2894 region because of these two pattern I saw on lower time frame. So I'm still bullish on gold. We have a breaking structure, retracement, and probably this could be a continuation, hopefully to 2891, 2879 region of gold. Oh, wait, hold on, please. I saw something. Let's wait. Yes, let's wait for this zone. Yes, let's wait for this zone because this is a very, very strong zone on gold. And let's see if it will break to the top side. I'll be looking forward to a short sell for gold if this low is taken out. If this low of 2871.32 is taken out, once it's taken out, I'll look for a short sell. But if it doesn't, then probably we'll have a buy to probably 2887 and wait for a retracement. So like I said, market has not fully given us its own pattern. We just need to wait for whatever will happen and all. So I'm looking at this gold very, very well. Waiting to see a proper retracement or a short sell before I enter into the market. Bye.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, thank you very much. I think selling gold is not going to be a bad idea. Selling gold is not going to be a bad idea. But let's wait for the confirmations before we enter the market. We'll keep you posted on our fund decline. Have a wonderful training day, everybody. Good afternoon. There's no buy stop. I'm leaving a sell stop, not buy stop. Thank you.